So guys, welcome to our channel Paraverse. Paraverse. This is a web development universe. So today we are going to discuss about the CSS. So this is a day one of CSS. Let's discuss. This is our VS Code IDE. You all can easily understand some concept of the CSS. I will tell. Okay. So what is a IDE? IDE is an integrated development environment. One thing you guys learn now. This is known as a emit. If you click on this and if you press the enter after it, so this is known as a emit. The emit after it, this is our boilerplate of HTML. Now, today we are going to discuss about the CSS. So how CSS work? There are there are three methods to provide the CSS to the elements. The first thing is that by using the style tag, sorry, by using the inline tag. Second thing is that you can provide the style tag inside the HTML. And third way is that you make the individual CSS file and then link that file with our HTML. So now we will discuss about the first thing, that is our inline. So I will also will make comment. You know how to make the comment in the HTML. So this is our inline. Okay, inline. So this is our H1. Type it Paras Tripathi, or sorry, Paraverse, Paraverse universe. Okay, and if you want to give the style to this, so you can do to the particular element by using the styles. This is known as inline CSS. Style equals to you can give easily, but you want to decrease the gap. For example, I want to change the background color. So background color is I want to give biscuit. So this is a inline CSS. Okay. Now, if I want to use, for example, there is a tag of paragraph. Welcome. Okay. Or inside the style tag. Now I will discuss, this is our first way to provide the CSS. Now we are discussing about the second way. You can provide the style tag both inside the body tag or also inside the head tag. I will show you. Okay, so you want to give the style to the paragraph, just select paragraph. Now use this bracket and now give whichever property you want to give. Okay, so I want to give the paragraph, for example, background color. So I provide this background color. Let's echo. If you want to increase the font size, you can also increase by writing the font size. If you want larger, okay, or you want to give some pixels, so I will want to give some 80 pixels to it. Just press 80 pixels. Okay, now same tag will work if I will provide to this to the tool inside the head tag. So let's go. If I delete it from this, and if I provide this property or this tag to the inside the tag, it is still so. Means is you can write the style tag either in the inside the head tag or either inside the body tag. Okay. Now, third way to provide the CSS to any file is the just making the CSS file. Yes. Wait for some time. Sorry for the disturbance. Let's begin. So, if you want to provide, there are the three way to provide the CSS. First way is the by using the inline CSS. Second is by using the style tag. Now third is that by making the external CSS file and then link it with our HTML. So I will show you how to make it. So if you want to make the CSS file day3.css, now if you want to link this CSS file with the HTML, now check how to provide it. So type link, then relation क्या है, रियल रिलेशन है आपके, क्या है, स्टाइल शीट, क्या है, स्टाइल शीट. ओके, यू हैव टू राइट सेम और href hyper references. So what is our day3.css? Now if I want to provide the paragraph some css, then how it will happen, just see. So what is our tag? Our tag is paragraph. Okay, so this is our css file. So in the paragraph, if you want to give background color, let's go background color. If you want to give that brown, it will become the brown. If you want to increase the font size, so this is our font size. Or if you want to give something 60 pixel around, so this is our 60 pixel. So till now I had discussed all the way to use the css. Now let's go how to select the element. CSS selectors, this is our topic. Is now what next topic is the CSS selector, how to select a particular element or group of element or anything else. Okay, so for example, if I provide a two paragraph, this is our first paragraph, this is our second paragraph. Now add the second paragraph. So because I had provide the all the property to all the paragraph that are exist my HTML file to the background color brown. It means मैंने सारे पैराग्राफ जो भी मेरी HTML फाइल में एग्जिस्ट करते हैं, मैंने सभी को बैकग्राउंड कलर ब्राउन दे दिया. बट इफ आई वांट टू चेंज द कलर ऑफ फॉर द पर्टिकुलर पैराग्राफ, मुझे मतलब इसको मेरे को ये वाला कलर नहीं चाहिए, मेरे को इसका फॉन्ट चाहिए नहीं चाहिए, तो मैं क्या करूंगा, इसको मैं एक पर्टिकुलर आईडी दे दूंगा. आईडी इक्वल्स टू फॉर एग्जांपल कुछ भी, मतलब यूनिक आइडेंटिफिकेशन. तो मैंने दिया इसको यूनिक, UNIQUE. ओके, नाउ आई वांट टू गिव its font size to the 20 pixel and want to change the background color. So I can easily do it by just selecting the how to write the id. If you have give the id tag is there. Now just copy its name, unique. Okay, control C. Now if you want to provide the property to this, so just this is a way to select the id element. Okay, now you can easily provide the property. So what you want to increase or decrease the font size. So let's go 30 pixel. You can see the changes. Now if you want to increase the background color, want to give the background color, so this is our aquamarine. Okay, so this is our first way, that if you want to give the color to all the paragraph that exist till now to our HTML file, so it will give the background color brown to all the paragraph that is exist in our HTML file. Now if you want to give the unique identification, or if you want to give any particular CSS to the particular element, you have to declare the ID for that. Okay, now third thing, if you want to, for example, if you want to give any class, for example, there's a h1 class, there is the h3 class, means same thing, id और आपका class same तरीके से work करता है. For example, if I have write the class is unique. Now the way of writing the CSS to the class is different from this. This is for the identity. आप CSS में ये वाला कमेंट यूज कर सकते हैं, identity. Oh no, it's not working out. This will sure work it. Identity. Okay. Now, if you want to give the CSS property to the class, so it start with dot, then end with the class name. So you have provided the class name unique. Q-U-E. Now you want to give something property to this class. So if you copy it, you can easily provide it. You can see all the changes in our browser or preview. So this is our okay. So I till now I have told the three way to give the property of CSS to the particular element or any element. First way is just the select any particular element. आपने अगर पैराग्राफ सेलेक्ट किया तो आपकी जो भी HTML की फाइल है सारी पैराग्राफ टैग को ये दोनों प्रॉपर्टी दे देगा. अगर आपने एक पार्टिकुलर एलिमेंट मतलब उसको आईडी सेलेक्ट किया तो ये पार्टिकुलर एलिमेंट में जाके सारी प्रॉपर्टी देगा. एंड द थर्ड थिंग अगर आपने कोई पार्टिकुलर क्लास चूज करी है तो ये पार्टिकुलर क्लास को जाके ही देगा. ओके, so these are the way that I had told about the CSS to declare the way. Okay, now the fourth way is that if you want to give the property to all the element, for example, if you want to give something property margin 0 pixel to all the elements, so they you can check that that the margin from our screen is just become the 0 pixels. You can check now all these element paragraph id and everything just come in this tag. If you want to get the more than 10 pixel you can easily check. Okay, so this is a universal selector, means you want to give all the property to all the element that is exist in our HTML file. So this is a fourth way. Now fifth way is that if you want to give the group of CSS to the group of element, for example you want to give the paragraph and h1 takes some property, so just select and give the font font size, sorry, you should give font family. So you if you want to give Arial, so you can check all this is our h1 tag. This is so it will also have same property and paragraph also becomes have the same styling, same font family. Okay, so these are the 5 way to use the CSS or to select the elements in the CSS. So these are known as the CSS selectors. What these are known as a CSS selector. Now we are going to discuss that what are the property that we are able to give any particular element or any HTML tag. So the first property is the color, font color. So now I will show to any particular element is I will just remove all it. You can watch in my video in the previous timeline or time zone. So now if you want to give the I want to tell the color property to you. So I just select only the one element that is our unique class. So dot start dot, now give class CLASS, sorry, the name. What is the name of class? Unique. Unique is the name of class. Now there is a color property. Color means font color. So the first thing is that this is our color property. You can give easily. This is our white, so not visible. So it will give the color to the font. So this is our color property. Now, if you want to give the color by using the RGB tag, there is a second way of declaring the color. RGB, red, green, blue. This is a amount of the red you want to give, amount of the green you want to give, and amount of the blue you want to give. So this is the RGB technique, and its range is from 0 to 255. Okay, the maximum it will become 0 to 255. You can check now. 288. So it will just 288 and 2. You can check. While you are writing 288, it will still show, but it means maximum is 255. So this is a range of RGB. RGB starts from 0 to 255. Now third way to declare the color is our hex code. Hex code start with the hash hashtag. Okay. And now A B C D E F. You know the hex codes are there. Hexadecimal और it start from the binary. तो जीरो से लेके आपका वो एफ ई तक रहता है, सॉरी एफ तक रहता है. जीरो से लेके एफ तक यू कैन काउंट जीरो फर्स्ट. तो उसमें हेक्साडेसिमल यहाँ पे 16 तक रहते हैं, 16 तक चीज़ें रहती हैं, हेक्स नाम ही है. ठीक है. सो नाउ इफ आई गिव होल द रेड, जीरो ब्लू, दिस इज रेड. इफ आई गिव होल द रेड, देखो अगर दो दो एलिमेंट सेलेक्ट करो, दो एलिमेंट मतलब एफ मतलब आपने पूरा एफ मतलब मैक्सिमम और जीरो मतलब मिनिमम. तो आपने एफ दिया किसको, रेड को, और फिर ग्रीन को जीरो दे दिया और आपने ब्लू को भी जीरो दे दिया. सो इट विल बिकम द रेड. So this is a way to provide the color in the CSS. So these are known as a how to provide the color. These are the three ways. Okay. Now, so these are the three way you understand. Okay. So if now if you want to give the text style, for example, सबसे पहले हम क्या सोचते हैं, जैसे कि अगर आपने कुछ लिखा, जैसे मैंने ये पैरावर्स इन्वर्स लिखा, तो मेरे को सबसे पहले लगेगा या तो मैं इसका साइज बढ़ा दूं. साइज कैसे बढ़ाओगे, फॉन्ट से. सबसे पहले आपको आएगा कि इसको बीच में कर दूं, इसका साइज बढ़ा दूं, इसको कुछ बैकग्राउंड कलर दे दूं, इसमें दो तीन लाइनों के बीच स्पेसिंग कर दूं. तो आई विल टेल हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल. सो so this is a way of coloring. Okay, so just wait for 2 minutes. Just wait for 2 minutes.